Okay, what we've got in today is a Kia Stinger. It's in for our Stage 2 package, which is AEM high-flow intakes as well as live custom dyno tuning using the Uni-X. What I've got here is a factory Kia Stinger airbox. Although quite good for a standard intake, they are very restrictive. So we've tried a lot of different intakes on the Kia Stinger across our development time. We found the AEM to flow the best, aesthetically look the best, as well as be well insulated and very easy to fit. Okay, I'm just fitting the pinch rubber that comes with the AEM air intakes. It provides a good insulation and seal against the bonnet, which allows the intakes to keep the hotter air out and the cooler air in. Right, so we finished tuning up the Stinger fitted with the AEM intakes and the Uni-X ECU. We've utilised the CAN bus map select option that the Uni-X has built in with it, meaning that it changes the tunes in the Uni-X using the drive modes inside the car, the factory drive modes. So as you can see, standard this made around about 220 kilowatts and 440 newton meters of torque. The after run in the power mode on 98 octane fuel, it makes 296.5 kilowatts and 550 newton meters of torque. So a really big increase in both power and torque. This car will be an absolute weapon.